Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change language in your Twitter application. So let's get started. First thing, just come to the home interface of Twitter, and to the leftmost top you'll be having your profile icon. Just select it, and here you'll be having the settings and support option. Click here and select settings and privacy. If you scroll down, we'll be having accessibility, display and languages. Click that, and here we'll be having languages. Select it, and here we are given two options. One is preferred language and another one is other languages. First, let me begin you with other languages. So I will just click that. So by default it is going to get selected with English. So what it means is that only tweets and posts which are related to English will be coming into my feed. As it clearly says, you will be able to see posts and people and trends in any language you choose. So in my case, only English related tweets will be coming into my feed. In case if you want to add additional languages, I can just check this. So in case if you have any other languages, you can just check it and click on done. So tweets in that language will also be shown in your feed. And in case if you want to change the language itself in Twitter, you'll be having the preferred language. Click that, and by default it will be in English. Click it, and here you are having a list of languages. You can just search and find it out also. I will just choose a language and click next, and that's it. As you can see here, all the settings and contents have been updated. So that's the video guys. I hope you would have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.